Welcome back, and as 18 News continues to practice social distancing, we have this week's remote segment of Law Talk sponsored by the Bazzetti Law Office. Now today we're joined live over by Zoom with attorney Matthew Bazzetti from the Bazzetti Law Office. Thank you so much for joining me this afternoon, Matt.
Not a problem. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Now, Matt, today we're discussing the arrest that occurred in Pennsylvania when a man cut the tail off his puppy and swung it around by the harness. Now, what are some basic charges that this man could face?
So in New York State, there's a wide panoply of charges that could be charged. First and foremost, animal cruelty in New York State is charged as overdriving torture under section, I think it's 353 of the Agriculture and Market Law. There's an executive law provision that makes that a misdemeanor. However, it's not like a normal misdemeanor. Normal misdemeanors, Class A, the maximum potential punishment is 1 year in the Chemung County Jail. There could be a potential punishment for up to 2 years if this were New York State. That's if it's a misdemeanor. There are then felony level offenses that would deal with severe physical pain or maltreatment of the animal, which could land in or turn into a state prison sentence as well.
And now animal cruelty charges, are these the same as human charges? Like, let's say someone broke my arm off today, like would they face the same charges as cutting the tail off of a dog?
Potentially. So if an individual, if a person had an arm broke, that would be some sort of assault or a charge like that. While there isn't an assault on an animal specifically, I think there might be a weird section of a felony level statute. All the same definitions apply and fall under the umbrella of this overdriving cruelty charge. So say if it's a crime that requires a substantial pain threshold, that substantial pain definition applies to the crime with the animal as well. So they're akin to human charges, yes.
Now, very quickly, Matt, do you think animal cruelty laws and punishments are strong enough for, let's say, this type of incident, cutting off the dog's tail?
Yes, I think they could be stronger. There's some cases in which leniency within the judge's purview might be freely given. However, on animal cases locally in our county, they're handled very drastically different than crimes to a person, and they're handled more severely. So I think that the laws as they are written are severe enough for punishment-wise. It's just having everybody on board with dealing with the cases in that way.
Alrighty, well, thank you so much, Matt. Unfortunately, that is all the time we have today, but thank you so much for speaking with me.
Not a problem. Happy to do it.
Thank you. Now, if you have any story ideas that you would like to see discussed here on Law Talk, you can email those ideas using lawtalk